Have you ever seen paper art made from dollar bills? Like a $1 butterfly, or a $10 heart, or perhaps a $20 crane? It's pretty cool, right? Have you ever wanted to try your hand at creating these nifty money sculptures which you can give as school gifts, 3D greeting cards, or even party giveaways?
I'm Mary. I'm an origami enthusiast and I've been folding for 10 years now. So one thing that I want to give to you guys is a wonderful course wherein I will be teaching you how to make money origami creations in order for you to give them as gifts to your fellow friends and family.
I've folded quite a collection since I was a young kid, and my friends and family thought it was an amazing thing. Disney thought it was cool too. I was featured in Disney Channel Asia for my origami back in 2005, where it was the longest running Show Your Stuff feature back then. Today, I have taken my passion for origami to money. Now, I am happy to introduce to you Money Origami Gifts, a beginner's guide to folding creative 3D money from dollars and turn them into gifts. Money origami is origami, the ancient Japanese art of paper folding. But instead of using plain paper, we use actual money bills. It is drawing a lot of attention these days, perhaps because it's an art form that's both creative and practical. And how's that? Well, money origami makes the best cash gifts for good cheer and good luck. Imagine sending a $20 heart on a friend's birthday card. Will you be mine? To your crush with a $100 ring. Or decorating a fundraiser event with $1 cranes. It definitely lends a more personal touch when you hand money presents to everyone. It's an all-in-one, hands-on course packed with money origami gift creations. You can learn easily and quickly now. Here's what you get when you enroll in Money Origami Gifts. An easy tutorial on the basic folds of origami. 12 step-by-step tutorials on how to fold the most well-received money origami gifts. Gift card envelope designs where you can wrap your money origami gift creations. You will get printable practice bills so you don't keep folding or unfolding your real bills. By then, you will be able to master folding like a money origami expert in no time. The benefits of creating origami include improving your hand skills, sharpening your mind, a good stress buster, and expressing creativity. Money Origami Gifts is a sustainable art form.
So join me now and I will teach you how to make 3D money gifts in origami.
Enroll by clicking the Take This Course button, and I will see you there.